Hello guys, today I'm going to use these two colors to color my hair. I need to color my regrowth and some grays that I have. So I'm using Wella Illumina Color, and basically I picked two different shades that I'm going to mix together. So this is shade 7. So I'm using the color 7 neutral, and this is medium blonde. And it's the color I used already in the past. I mixed it with 781 and the color turned out very natural looking. This time I'm going to mix it with a little bit lighter color, which is 8/1, and this is from their cool range, light blonde ash. So we shall see how the result will be. I'm aiming for very natural dark blonde, light brown color. I have very good results with Illumina Color range. I'm mixing them with 20 volume developer, which is not that harsh for the hair. Okay, so I'm going to prepare the color. I'm going to use 30 milliliters of the shade 7 and 30 milliliters of shade 8. So let's do that. And this whole tube contains 60 milliliters, so basically half of the tube. But on the tube, the good thing is that they actually have like little markers where you can see 15 milliliter, 30, 45 and 60. So if you need to use less or more, it's easy. And mix ratio is 1:1, so that's also quite easy. So there's no room to make a mistake about that, right? So if I'm using 60 milliliters of the color, I'm going to use 60 milliliters of developer as well. And I'm saying 60 milliliters because I'm using 30 milliliters of each color. And I have this little measuring cup, so it's 60 milliliters, and I'm going to show you this big container of Veloxton Perfect, which mixes together perfectly with the color. This is how it looks like, and it's more convenient if you just purchase it, you know, this big size, as opposed when you're purchasing it in small containers. If you're coloring your hair at home every month, I definitely suggest you to go for a full size of it, for this big container. It contains 1 liter of the developer, and as you can see, it's 6%, 20 volume. And then mix everything well together. And when the paste is ready, you can start coloring your hair. Okay guys, so I am going to detangle my hair with a tangle teaser, so it's nice and smooth without any tangles and knots. When I'm coloring it, this is very important. And then I'm going to start sectioning it. I already showed you many times how I color my hair, the entire process. So you can go and watch some of my older videos where I'm coloring my hair with other hair colors as well, if you're interested to see the result. Anyway, I'm just going to film a little bit and speed up the whole process, but I'm basically starting from the middle section. I'm just going to part my hair right in the middle and start coloring it here. As you can see, I have some grays that I want to cover up, and basically I'm going to work my way towards this section here because I have quite a bit of gray hair here, and then I'm going to finish off with this section here where I still don't have a lot of gray hair. So that's nice. Anyway, I'm going to just secure my hair like that so it's not in the way. And my gosh, it's been like a month since I colored my hair, and look at this disaster. I really don't want to color it too often because I don't think it's, you know, really healthy for your hair and the scalp and everything. That's why I think it's also good to find a very high quality hair color. So this is a professional product. and I have experience with other like box hair dyes and everything, and truth to be told, I'm not really impressed with the quality in the long run. They all tend to kind of damage the hair, but Wella is really nice. I'm helping myself with this brush here, and I'm just parting my hair so I can keep coloring it, as you can see. Also helping myself a little bit with Tangle Teaser. Okay, as you can see, the hair is now colored, just this top part, and then for the bottom I'm thinking of using Wella colored mask just to enhance the color. I'm going to show it to you later. So now I'm going to leave it for like 45 minutes, and I'm going to wipe the excess of the color off, obviously. So I'm just taking a cotton pad, a little bit of water, and I'm going to just wipe the color off whilst it's still fresh, so I don't get stains on my forehead, on my skin. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so now I'm going to just take the rest of the length and make a little knot, secure it with a hair clip so it doesn't get stained, and I'm going to use this shower cap. This is actually what I do when I color my hair and when I have oil nourishing treatments, because that way the heat is formed and it helps color to develop better and quicker. So it's like one little step that I do. I have them in many different colors. Just grabbed a big pack of these shower caps at my local home supply stores. Yeah, and that's it. Now we're going to wait, and I'm going to show you later the hair mask that I picked this weekend at Vipa drugstore, so I'm going to be using it to enhance the color of the lengths. Okay, so I have just gotten out of the shower. I still have this giant towel on my head. I haven't seen the color just yet, so let's reveal it. It looks quite dark, but obviously I need to dry my hair to see the actual color, the actual result, because now it's totally wet, so I can't really tell. But I think it's going to look nice. And especially I'm looking forward to seeing my lengths a bit refreshed in color.